Hello. Welcome back, everyone, to the J&May English Podcast. I'm May, your learning buddy, and I am so happy you're here today.
And I'm Mr. J. Together, we make English feel less scary and a lot more fun.
Today's topic is something I personally struggled with, and I know you have too. We're talking about why English feels so hard at the beginning.
And not just why it's hard, we're going to fix that today. By the end of this episode, you'll understand exactly what's making English difficult for you, and more importantly,
you'll know what to do about it. I wish someone told me these things when I started.
So let's get into it. May, tell me honestly, when you first started learning English, what was the biggest problem?
Oh, wow. Where do I start? Everything. The spelling, the grammar, the pronunciation. I remember looking at the word night and thinking, why is there a K there? You don't even say it.
Yes, that's a perfect example. And that feeling, that confusion, that frustration is exactly what millions of beginners feel every single day. You're not alone. You're not bad at languages. English just has some very strange rules.
Very strange.
And today, we're going to look at the main reasons why English feels so hard, and I'll give you simple ways to think about each one. Does that sound good?
That sounds amazing. And hey, listeners, if you're new here, welcome to the family. We post new episodes every week to help you transform your English step by step.
So, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it right now. It's free, it's easy, and every week we bring you real, useful English. No boring textbooks, no confusing grammar charts.
Just us talking, learning, growing together. Okay, Mr. J, I'm ready. Hit me with reason number 1.
All right, reason number 1, and this is a big one. English spelling does not match English pronunciation.
Yes, like my night example.
Exactly. In many languages, when you see a letter, you know how to say it, always. But in English, not always. Let me give you a few examples. The word read, R-E-A-D. How do you say it?
Read, like I read books.
Good. But what about this sentence? Yesterday, I read that book. Same spelling, different pronunciation.
Wait, red? It sounds like the color red?
Exactly. Same word, different pronunciation. Depending on the time, present or past, it changes.
That is actually kind of crazy.
It is. And here's another one. Look at these words. Though, through, thought, tough. They all have O-U-G-H in them.
Oh no.
Though sounds like though, through sounds like through, thought sounds like thought, and tough sounds like tough.
What? They look almost the same, and they all sound different.
This is why spelling in English is hard. English borrowed words from many languages, French, German, Latin, Greek, and each language brought its own spelling rules. English just kept them all.
So English is like a big, messy closet where everything came from a different store.
That is a perfect way to say it. So, listeners, here's a simple trick for you. Don't try to figure out English pronunciation from spelling alone. Instead, always listen first. Hear the word, then see it written. Your ears are your best teacher at the beginning.
Oh, I love that. Ears first, eyes second.
Ears first, eyes second. Write that down.
Okay, what's reason number 2?
Reason number 2, English has too many ways to say the same thing.
Oh yes, this confused me so much.
In many languages, there's one word for something. In English, there are 3, 4, sometimes 10 words that mean almost the same thing. For example, the word happy. You can say happy, glad, joyful, pleased, cheerful, delighted, content.
Stop. That's too many.
And they all mean happy, but with small differences in feeling. Glad is a little more quiet. Delighted is very strong. Content means calm and satisfied.
So it's not just about knowing the word, you have to know the feeling of the word.
Exactly. And for a beginner, this feels overwhelming. That means it feels like too much, too heavy. You don't know where to start.
I remember I used to just say happy for everything because I was scared to use the wrong word.
And that is completely okay at the beginning. Here is what I want beginners to understand. You don't need to learn all the words at once. Start with one word. Use it. Get comfortable. Then slowly add new ones.
So instead of learning 10 words for happy on day 1,
Learn happy. Use it every day. Then 1 week later, add glad. Then excited. Build slowly. This is how your vocabulary grows strong, like a tree, not like a wall you try to build in one day.
I really like that. A tree, not a wall. Okay, we're about halfway through, and I want to stop for a second because this part is vital.
It really is.
But first, hey listeners, quick question for you. We call this our comment cause moment. I want you to pause the podcast right now, yes, right now, and type your answer in the comments below. Ready?
Here's the question. What is one English word that you find confusing or difficult to spell? Just one word. Write it in the comments. We read every single comment, and your answer might become part of a future episode.
We're waiting. Okay, write your answer, then come back. We'll be here.
All right, reason number 3. And this one surprises a lot of people. English grammar is both simple and complicated at the same time.
How can it be both?
Good question. Here's what I mean. In some languages, every single noun, that means every thing word, has a gender. A table is she, a door is he, a book is it. And the whole sentence changes depending on that gender.
Oh, yes, I know some languages like that. It's a lot to remember.
In English, no gender for objects. A table is just the table. A door is just the door. That part is simple.
Okay, that is nice actually.
But then, English has 12 tenses.
12?
12 ways to talk about time. Present simple, I eat. Past simple, I ate. Present continuous, I am eating. And future with will, I will eat.
Those 4 cover most conversations?
Most everyday conversations, yes. So here is your simple trick. Master these 4 first, completely, confidently. Then move forward. Don't try to learn all 12 at once. You will confuse yourself.
This is so helpful. I think a lot of beginners try to learn everything at the same time and then feel like failures when they can't remember it all.
And that is so important to hear. You are not a failure. The method was wrong, not you. Learning a language is a process. That means it takes time. It has steps. You can't skip the steps, but you can make the steps easier.
I feel like I need to go back and restart my English journey after this episode.
You're doing great. Okay, reason number 4. This one is about fear.
Oh, this one is personal.
Fear of making mistakes. This might actually be the number 1 reason, even bigger than spelling, even bigger than grammar, why people feel like English is too hard.
Because when you make a mistake, you feel embarrassed.
Exactly. You mispronounce a word, someone corrects you, or worse, they look at you like you said something strange, and suddenly your brain says, "Stop, this is dangerous, don't speak."
Yes, that happened to me. I said sheet wrong once and everyone laughed and I didn't want to speak English for a week.
We've all had moments like that. But here is the truth, and I want every listener to hear this clearly. Making mistakes is not the opposite of learning. Making mistakes is learning.
Say that again.
Making mistakes is not the opposite of learning. Making mistakes is learning. Every mistake your brain makes, it remembers. It creates a small note that says, not this way, that way. And slowly, the correct form becomes natural.
So mistakes are actually helpers.
They are your best helpers. The people who improve fastest in English are not the ones who never make mistakes. They're the ones who make mistakes, hear the correction, and try again without shame.
Without shame. I love that. No shame in this podcast community, right, everyone?
No shame here, only progress.
Okay, we have one more reason, and then we're going to recap everything. Mr. J, reason number 5.
Reason number 5. English is everywhere, but real English and textbook English are very different.
Oh, this is so true.
You study from a book. The book says, "How are you?" And the answer is, "I am fine, thank you. And you?" Very clean, very correct.
And then you talk to a real English speaker and they say, "Hey, what's up?" And you freeze completely.
Exactly. What's up doesn't mean what is going up. It just means how are you or what's happening. This is called informal English, relaxed, everyday, real-life English.
And nobody teaches you that in the beginning.
Not enough, anyway. And then there's slang. That means very informal words that friends use with each other. That's lit means something is very exciting or great. I'm dead means something is so funny you can't stop laughing.
Not actually dead.
Not actually dead. So beginners feel confused because the English they learned and the English they hear feel like two different languages.
So what do we do about that?
Simple trick. Add real English to your learning every single day. Watch a short video in English. Listen to a podcast, like this one. Read a text message or a social media post in English. Just 5 to 10 minutes of real, everyday English every day will slowly close that gap between textbook English and real English.
Every day. Even 5 minutes counts.
Every day. Consistency, doing something regularly without stopping, is more powerful than studying for 5 hours once a week and then stopping.
All right. I think it's time for our recap. I love this part. Mr. J, quickly, what did we learn today?
We covered 5 reasons why English feels hard for beginners. Number 1, spelling doesn't match pronunciation. Solution, listen first, read second.
Number 2, too many words that mean the same thing. Solution, learn one word, use it well, then slowly add more.
Number 3, grammar can feel overwhelming. Solution, master 4 basic tenses first: present simple, past simple, present continuous, and future with will.
Number 4, fear of mistakes is holding you back. Solution, mistakes are helpers, not enemies. Make them, learn from them, move forward without shame.
And number 5, textbook English and real English are different. Solution, spend 5 to 10 minutes every day with real, everyday English. Podcasts, videos, social media, whatever you enjoy.
5 reasons, 5 solutions. Not so scary now, right?
Not scary at all. You have everything you need to move forward.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Show up, try, make mistakes, and keep going. That's the whole secret.
That really is the secret. There's no magic shortcut, but there is a smart path, and now you're on it.
I love that. Okay, before we go, our final question for you, and we really want you to answer this one in the comments because your answers are always so good.
Here it is. Out of the 5 reasons we talked about today, spelling, too many words, grammar, fear of mistakes, or the difference between textbook and real English, which one is your biggest challenge right now?
Tell us in the comments. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Or write it out if you want to practice your English. Either way, we want to hear from you.
And if this episode helped you today, please share it with one friend who is also learning English. One share can change someone's learning journey completely.
We mean that. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for spending this time with us. Keep learning, keep trying, and remember,
every expert was once a beginner.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye, and keep going. You're doing better than you think.